Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix CarX Street is not available in your country. So our first method to solve this error is that you have to just open your device settings and then scroll down and search for the apps management and then app settings, and here you have to just search for your Play Store. Here you have to just tap on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache first and then click on the clear storage and then press OK. After doing so, you have to just open your Play Store and don't forget to switch your account to the new one and then accept the terms of services, and doing so you will be back on your Play Store and then now search here for a VPN which is named as free VPN for Russia. So after installation you have to just connect this VPN to your device. After doing so, again install your game and this time your problem will be fixed. If this method also not work for you, then you have to just move to the next method, which is that you have to just use an other Google account. It means you have to just switch your account to the new one. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. And the final solution is that you have to just change the country in your Google Play Store. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.